Hi everyone, and welcome to a preview of the Mars Perseverance 3D printed model that I'm creating. Now this is more like just a wheel assembly demo model. There's some sample STLs that are in the description for both resin and FDM filament printing that you can download. But this is sort of just a demo to represent the level of detail that I'm going to be building the entire rover at. I'm thinking I will be building it up to 1/4 scale. That means that the polygon counts will be detailed enough to support that. But I'm thinking 1/8 scale is probably going to be the overall large size that most people will want to print at. And then there's going to be some smaller scales that I will derive as well from there. Anyway, I hope that this preview excites you and that maybe you'll go ahead and follow me as I continue building this.